It takes two to tango. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. It takes two to tango. This proverb teaches us that success is usually the result of cooperation and participation of multiple parties. To apply this to our lives, we need to learn to work with others towards a common goal. The benefits of working with others are many. We can learn from each other, share resources, and create something greater than what we could alone. When we learn to work together, we create a synergy that helps us overcome difficulties and achieve greater success. We can divide tasks and responsibilities, support each other in tough times, and celebrate together when we achieve our goals. Moreover, when we work together, we also create an environment of trust and respect. By communicating effectively and openly, we can avoid misunderstandings and build strong relationships. This, in turn, can help us attract more opportunities and luck in our personal and professional lives. In summary, it takes two to tango. By learning to work with others and building strong relationships, we can create a path to success that is easier, more fulfilling, and more enjoyable. So let's take the first step towards cooperation and collaboration and tango, our way to success. It's important to note that cooperation and collaboration are not always easy. It requires patience, compromise, and sometimes stepping out of our comfort zones. However, the rewards of working with others towards a common goal are well worth the effort. In addition, it's important to recognize that success is not just about achieving our own individual goals. It's also about lifting up those around us and creating a positive impact on the world. By working together and supporting each other, we can make a greater difference than any individual effort could ever achieve. So let's remember the lesson of it takes two to tango and embrace the power of cooperation and collaboration in all areas of our lives. Together, we can achieve great things and make the world a better place. It takes two to tango, but it's important to remember that it doesn't always have to be two people. Cooperation and collaboration can involve a whole team, community, or even society. When we learn to work together and appreciate each other's strengths, we can achieve even greater success and surpass our individual limitations. It's time to let go of our egos, embrace teamwork, and tango our way to a better world. Are you ready to join the dance? It's time to start collaborating and reaching out to the people around us, whether it's in our personal or professional lives. The power of teamwork cannot be underestimated. Success is not just about achieving our own goals. It's about creating positive change and impacting the lives of those around us. Let's take the lessons of it takes two to tango and apply them to our lives. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.